Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Good morning, dear student. In today's session of Account Standard 12, Chapter 1, Accounting for Share Capital, we are going to solve sum number 14 from the exercise. Okay. Raj Machine Limited issues 12 lakh equity share of 10 each. At the time of application 3 per share, at the time of allotment 4 per share, at the time of first and final call 3 per share. Company received application for 14,70,000 shares. Okay, excess application were rejected and money paid them were refunded. Akash, who was allotted 2,000 shares, did not pay allotment and final call. Okay, fine. And Sunny, who was allotted 1,200 shares, did not pay final call. Fine. Company forfeited all the shares on which call were unpaid and reissued all the forfeited shares at ₹7 per share fully paid up. Fine. Now first journal entry for application. A bank account debited to equity share application account. Okay, 14,70,000 shares at the ₹3 per share. It means 44,10,000 rupees. Fine. Being application money received on 14,70,000 shares at ₹3 per share. Now next one is next journal entry, equity share application account debited to bank account and to equity share capital account 44,10,000. Okay, now 2,70,000 shares are refunded at ₹3 per share. It means 8 lakh, sorry, 8,10,000 rupees. Fine. And remaining 36 lakh okay, remaining 36 lakh continue रहेगा. Okay, equity share capital 36 lakh, 8,10,000 bank account refunded, and total 44,10,000. Fine. Now at the time of allotment 4 per share and total shares is now 12 lakh. Okay, means third number equity share allotment account debited to equity share capital account. Okay, 12 lakh shares at the rate of ₹4 share. It means 48 lakh. Being allotment money, do you want? Being allotment money due on 12 lakh shares at rupees 4 per share. Okay. Now next journal entry will be a bank account debited, call in arrears account debited, to equity share allotment account 48 lakh. Okay, 4,000 shares at the rate of rupees 2 share, it means 8,000, remaining 47 lakh 92,000. Okay, being receipt of allotment money except 2,000 shares of Akash. Okay, share first and final call account debited to equity share capital account at the rate of rupees 3 per share, it means 36 lakh. Fine. Big first and final call amount being amount due on first and final call at rupees 3 per share on 12 lakh shares. Okay. Now next entry will be bank account debited, call in arrears account debited to equity share first and final call account. Okay, 36 lakh rupees okay, at the time of final call 2,000 plus 1,200, it means 3,200 shares are there at the rupees 3 per share, it means 9,600 rupees. Fine. After deducting 9,600 from 36,000, 35,000, sorry, 35 lakh 90,400 rupees. Okay, being amount received on share first and final call on share first and final call except 2,000 shares of Akash and 1,200 shares of Sunny. Now next entry is all the shares on which amount is not received and complete forfeited all the shares on which calls was unpaid. Okay, it means 2000 shares of Akash and 1200 shares of Sunny. It means total 3200 shares were forfeited by the company. Okay, it means equity share capital account debited 3200 shares at rupees 10 per share, it means 32,000. Fine. Then we have to write down call in arrears. Okay, at the time of allotment call in arrears is of rupees 8,000. At the time of first and final call in arrears is of rupees 9600. Fine. To call in arrears account. Okay, 8,000 plus 9600. Okay, 8,000 and plus this 9600, it means 17,600 rupees. Then to equity share forfeiture account. Right, a difference of rupees 14,400. Okay, being forfeited shares of Akash and Sunny after final call. Being forfeited shares of Akash and Sunny after final call. Okay, now next point is given all the forfeited shares were reissued at rupees 7 per share. It means bank account debited and 3200 shares at rupees 7 per share. It means 22,400. Then share or forfeiture account debited 9600 at to equity share capital account. Okay, now equity share capital is of rupees 32,000. Being a reissue of forfeited shares at rupees 7 per share. Okay, now ninth number is here forfeited account credited 14,400 and here forfeited account debited 9,600. Okay, it means difference is of rupees 4,800. Share forfeiture account debited to capital a resource account an amount of rupees 4,800 being credit balance of share forfeiture rupees 14,400 minus rupees 9,600 a debit equals to rupees 4800 transferred to capital reserves account. Okay, fine. Now total okay. In today's session, we have completed sum number 14 as well as chapter number 1 accounting for share capital. Goodbye. Take care all of you.